Today, let's learn about pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a common noun or a proper noun. There are different kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns, the words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are called personal pronouns. They take the place of nouns and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Here are some of the examples. My name is David. I am the youngest in the family. This is my father. He is a teacher. This is my mother. She is a lawyer. I have a brother and 2 sisters. They are Peter, Sharon, and Jenny. I have a dog. It is called Lucky. Lucky, you are a good dog. Good morning, children. You may sit down now. My family and I live in a big city. We have an apartment. The subject of a sentence is the person, animal, place, or thing that does the action shown by the verb. The words me, you, him, her, it, us and them are also personal pronouns. They also take the place of nouns. These pronouns are used as the object of the verb in a sentence. I'm standing on my head. Look at me. My mother is kind. Everybody likes her. Lisa, I told you to tidy your bed. Sharon and Jenny, Dad is waiting for you. Lucky and I are playing in the park. Dad is watching us. You must not play with the knife. Give it to me. Pick up your toys and put them away. Baby birds cannot fly. Mother bird has to feed them. Tom likes riding my bicycle. I sometimes lend it to him. The object of a sentence is the person, animal, place, or thing that receives the action shown by the verb. There are 3 groups of pronouns: first person, second person, and third person. The person speaking is called the first person. The first person pronouns are I or me in the singular and we or us in the plural. The person spoken to is called the second person. The second person pronoun is you in both singular and plural. The person or animal or thing spoken about is called the third person. The third person pronouns are he or him, she or her, and it in the singular, and they or them in the plural. The word I is always spelled with the capital letter. The pronoun he is used for men and boys, she for women and girls, and it for things and animals. Let's do the exercises. John and I are brothers. Blank share a bedroom together. Sue isn't well. That is taking blank to see a doctor. My brother is a teacher. Blank teaches English. All the students like blank very much. Children blank are making too much noise. Who are those people? Where are blank from? Mom is a doctor. Blank works in a hospital. The sky is getting dark. Blank is going to rain. John, we are all waiting for blank. You coming with blank? May blank borrow your pen? Thank you for listening.